Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Western Union cash pickup, all the required documents. So the first thing we're going to be discussing about is going to be mandatory information and documents. The first thing you'll be needing is a valid government issued photo ID, an original document, so not a copy. Examples include passport, driver's license, national ID card, resident alien card, green card, or military ID. You also need the MTCN or the money transfer control number. This is the unique 10-digit tracking number provided by the sender. You will also need the sender's details, so sender's full name, first, middle, and last name, sender's country, and sometimes city and state. The exact amount of money being sent as well. You might also need some additional documents, and that would be proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement, receiver address, so your current residential address. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.